Hey everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome here to my channel, Dragonfly Beez Resell Journey. In this video, I am going to open up friend mail. Yes, I got a surprise friend mail in the mail. And you all must know her by now, and if you don't, I am going to link her channel below in the description box. And this friend mail is from Denise. Denise is also known as NolaCollectibles on YouTube, and her channel is amazing. She does awesome thrift hauls. I'm so envious of the finds that she can get in her local town. I believe she's originally from New York, and yeah, she just did a giveaway, and I happen to be one of the winners of a beautiful necklace that I chose. So, ooh, look, 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 look. This is a iconic home that they have out in New Orleans, and that's where she lives now. NolaCollectibles, hence the name, and warmest wishes to you and yours this holiday season. Enjoy the goodies, of course. Feel free to sell any of it. Haha, have a wonderful holiday season, Denise. Why, thanks, Denise. And what do we have here? Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. Well, this is the necklace that I chose because I love the garnet color stones. There they are. And this chain is so unique. That's what I loved about it. Oh, it looks so nice in person. Even better in person. And there's a spring ring clasp. So yes, this is mine. Just so you can see. I love, love, love. So we have that. Love it, love it, love it. And put that aside. I want to display it nicely. So we have that. What is this? Oh my gosh. Earrings. And look at that hook. I love these type. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. Look at that. They're like this really deep. You can't really tell this color, can you, in this light? It's like a deep amber tone or red tone. Wow, these are beautiful. And they are marked 925. Oh my gosh. Love them. Love them, love them. So we have that. And then, oh, you're too much, too much. Look at this. Oh. Look at this bracelet. This is a silver tone. It's like a tennis bracelet, but it's made up of, if you look closely, they're like little flowers with like the pave rhinestones. Wow. This is beautiful, beautiful. And it has a safety clasp. And look at the fastener. You pop that in. You pop that in. Like so. Like so. And you push down that, and it is safe to wear. This is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow, 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 wow. Let me see what size this is. This is a 7. I love this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So we have this. Let me unlatch it. You just press that, I believe. It's so secure. And yeah, it is so secure. You will not lose this. Beautiful. Oh, I can't believe there's like more. Oh, fun. Look at these earrings. Filled with rhinestones, and you have Christmassy colors of red, green, and clear. Let me open that. Wow. They're like dangling ornaments. Oh, how pretty. Woo. Absolutely gorgeous. So we have that. It keeps on going. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. This is a triple strand. Rose quartz. Love the size of the beads. Necklace that has, you see that? It's like that light blue chip with the, like an amethyst colored oval beads. Oh, wow, wow, wow. And there's this fishhook clasp. Oh, this is, isn't this beautiful? Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at these. These earrings are lever backs and they're glass. And they have that beautiful blue color in the center with some marbling on top and on the bottom. Wow. I'm speechless. I'm flabbergasted. I'm so thankful, Denise. Look at these. Wow, wow, wow. Aren't these great? Love, love, love. So we have that pair. Next up, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Love the blue. Love the bezeled rhinestones. And the chain is even filled with rhinestones. What do you think? Wow! This is beautiful. Like, as if she knew exactly what I would like. Like she was a mind reader. Look at that. There is a hook closure at the end. You see? You see? You see? And on the back side, oh gosh, this is pristine. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. So there you have this one. I'm going to move that aside so I can make room to display all this. And then here is a bangle. Ooh. This one is a beautiful cloisonne style bangle in this gorgeous, gorgeous cobalt blue. And look at the flowers. This one is 8 inches in diameter. Love it. Love, love. Oh, my goodness. Coins. I love these. Let's see what we have. Look at that. It's like Egyptian. Look, it's like Egyptian king and queen. And then, oh, it's a nice long necklace that has those stations. It's triple strand on the bottom. and single strand on the top. Wow. This is awesome. Woo! Love it. Love, love, love. There's nothing I would not wear. Wow. Look at this. This feels so cool in my hand. It's like it could be a aventurine. And there, look at that. It looks like some kind of agate. Wow. This one has an elongated lobster claw and an extender. And that's how it falls. Let me get this out of the way. Wow. I love these dangles. Look at them. They're all like teardrops. Tell me this isn't gorgeous. I love this. I love green. I love browns. I love these earth tones. This is gorgeous. And the square beads are faceted too. Lovely. Lovely. And then lastly, for these. Oh my gosh. You have these lab created opals. She's killing me. She's killing me. I'm like, wow. Wow. Okay. Look at that. Look at that fire. Aren't these amazing? Amazing! And they have the tiniest, cutest little rhinestone crystals all around it. They're prong set. I mean, oh, wow. Wow. Denise, you really should not have. I am so grateful. Thank you so much for this amazing, amazing friend mail. I mean, I was so happy, so happy just having this. Just having this, because this is great. Yeah, she had several pieces of jewelry from her haul, and she wanted, I guess it was around Thanksgiving time, where she wanted to show thanks for viewers' support, and you can pick any item from her thrift haul. And I mean, there were so many great things, but I picked this one because I really loved it. And now I'm in love with everything else. Thank you, Denise. NolaCollectibles, don't forget, check her out. You probably know her by now. I mean, she has a gazillion subscribers. And but if you don't, please subscribe to Denise and watch her videos. She's really, I learned so much from her. And like I said, her thrift hauls are awesome. I love them so much. Thank you, Denise. And thank you, everyone, for sharing this unboxing with me of my friend mail from my friend, Denise. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you in the next one.